Gary, thank you so much for your time. I'm sure it wasn't the best performance today, but that's all that was important, is that you got the 3 points, and now that you're sure that you're secure to finish in the top 6, which is something that you haven't done since season of 2004-2005. So I'm sure you're very, very pleased with that.
No, I think over the season so far we've got to be very proud of our achievements. I think going on today we were reasonably pleased with the first half. Thought there was plenty of good stuff in there, and we got the goal with about 5-6 minutes to go, so we thought that might set us up for a real good second half, which just didn't happen for us today. You know, we dropped below our levels, and being fair to Aberystwyth, they stayed in the game, and you know, they started to cause us a couple of problems towards the end.
Didn't really seem that you didn't get going until maybe the last 10 minutes. What did you make of that performance today?
I think you nailed it, really. I thought we were very slow the first half, which was really disappointing, because the last 2 games against Carnarvon and Bala, we've started on the front foot and we've been competitive, and we were 2-3 yards off of everything today, and I thought Hwlffordd were the better side in the first half, and it took us till 20 minutes from the end to really get going and to really compete with them. And we competed with them, you know, we kept them at bay, and you know, we kept them to long range shots, which was obviously, you know, which is okay, but to allow them to have full flow in the first 45 minutes was disappointing, and obviously it takes its toll on us going towards the end of the game.
Congratulations on the win. Maybe not the best performance this afternoon, but I guess you got the 3 points, and now you've secured your place in the top 6, and you got your first goal of the season. So overall, a pretty good day, I should imagine.
Yeah, exactly that. I think, like you said, performance-wise, I think definitely, if we want to compete at the top end of the table, we need to make sure we maintain the same standards in every game. But like you said, on a personal note, I'm happy to obviously get the goal, and can't complain with 3 points, I guess. So when you look at the table, obviously, no matter how you get them, 3 points always looks the same. But then just in terms of internally as a team, then there's obviously things which we need to work on so that we can be more ruthless. And like you said, being in the top 6 now, competing at the higher end of the table, we need to make sure that we keep those standards really high.
It's extra special to be back here, first day of 2025, started off with a win, and like I said, you've secured your place in the top 6, so all round a pretty good day for the club and for yourselves as well.
Yeah, I think we've got to be pleased, you know, like you said, a good crowd here, you know, a lot of ex-players have come to watch. We'd like to put on a better show, especially second half, but you know, we've got the win, like you say, we secured our top 6, so it's important now we finish the last 2 games well, and then it's into the second stage.